My dear viewers, in today's show I'm gonna help you a lot, especially for you women who right now suffers from menopausal problems. This natural lemon, this perfect plant, has many health benefits, but for today's show is gonna be very important for the woman's health. At the end of the show, I'm gonna give you recommended daily dosage, how to use these specific plants, and if you watch, of course, at the end, I'm gonna give you another video recommended for you who wants to learn a lot more about natural remedies that can help you a lot with your menopausal problems. I'm going to recommend you something called black cohosh or Cimicifuga racemosa. It's a plant species classified in Runocele family. In Croatian is also known grozdasta habulica or srebrna svijeća, but most people probably know its blind Latin derivative black cohosh. Black cohosh is a plant of average height ranging from 20 to 16 centimeters with an underground stem of root of black color. The medicinal properties of black cohosh has been known for humankind for a long time, since it originates from North America. The indigenous population of that continent was best acquainted with its medical powers. Indigenous people used it for various indications, treating sore throats, malaria, colds, regulating menstrual cycle. However, the most important striking application was the snake bites. Indigenous population used black cohosh as kind of antidote, hence another of its name snake root, which is translated literally to the snake root. Another nickname is bugbane, coined for the plant used as insect repellent, although it's no longer used for that purposes. The beginning of its use in Europe was recorded in Germany, where in 1950 remedies appeared, which still registers are herbal medicine today. For everyone who wants to learn a little bit more about natural remedies, this is one of the plants I was described in my second book, Miraculous Natural Remedies. Black cohosh is unbelievably important, and it's originated, of course, in North America, and much more of those uses was on these local indigenous people, and right now we find out a lot more health benefits of this plant. Medicinal properties: lower blood pressure and the level of bad cholesterol, removes mucus from the upper respiratory tract, helps the heart and the blood vessel functions, better alleviates menopausal symptoms, help with menstrual problems, acts against painful joints and the back pain, alleviates symptoms of anxiety and depression, prevents osteoporosis. A large number of studies confirm the use of the black cohosh to reduce menopausal symptoms and premenstrual problems. It is traditionally used to achieve hormonal balance, especially in women. It works exceptionally well for the conditions involved reducing estrogen levels in the body, such as menopause, hot flash, weight gain, vaginal dryness, and female sex dysfunction. This is one of the most researched and one of the most important plants for the woman's health. For today's show, it's important, of course, to know it's going to be perfect for your menopausal problems, but much more. It is natural remedy for insomnia, reducing the risk of diabetes and polycystic ovary syndrome. It is recommended for people with painful joints and preventing osteoporosis. It reduces anxiety and depression. The hormone serotonin is responsible for the feelings of the pleasure and the well-being. Black cohosh stimulates serotonin activity, thus reducing stress, depression, and anxiety, and promoting happiness. It is also used to reduce muscle and the joint pain and promotes with the functions of the nervous system. One of the main reasons for the relieving joint, muscle, or back pain is presence of the salicylic acid, natural arsenic in this plant. This is unbelievably important. So this plant had many other health benefits for our body, but for today's show, this is I'm going to recommend for every woman for the woman's health. How to use this specific perfect plant. Black cohosh is available in the form of tablets, tincture, extracts, or tea. It is important to buy herbal preparation from reputable manufacturers that guarantee high-quality products. The general recommendation is to consume between 40 and 80 milligrams of standardized extract daily. This is typical dose used to relieve symptoms associated with menopause. If used in tincture, Consume 2 to 4 ml daily. This amount can be taken mixed with water or the tea 1 to 3 times a day. Herbal tea not always effective relieving menopausal symptoms as standardized extract. However, if you prefer to drink a black tea, you can make it on your own, soaking 20 grams of dried root in 250 milliliters of water. Let it boil, then simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, then strain. Black cohosh generally is consumed at any time of the day. Symptoms decrease after 2 to 3 months. This is also important. Usually, recommended daily dosage is going to be on the supplements you buy it each day. You can buy it in form of the capsules, tinctures, tablets, or maybe you can drink tea. Usually, all your symptoms, of course, they're not going to go away easily, but if you use this black cohosh on the long run, it can help you tremendously. For everyone that wants to learn a lot more about natural remedies that can help you with menstrual problems, click here on this video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.